So now let's see how we can work around with text outline inside of Pixlr Designer. So to utilize text outline over here in Pixlr Designer, I'm going to go around and click on text. And let me just go around and type in tube over here and select out a fill color over here. Just like this. Let me just go around, change around the size of the text as well. So if I were to go around and scroll down, then you can see that outline is an option over here. And if I were to go around and click, then you simply get a text outline. You can go around and select out an outline color as you like right here, and the outline color will be applied. And you can go around and change around the size of the outline color as you can see right here. Then you can also go around and change around the distance of the outline as you can see right here, and change around the direction over here just like this as well. So change around the distance and you can see the outline right here, and you can go around and change around the direction over here just like this as well. Apart from that, you can go around and punch out the outline right here. That means you only have the outline and nothing else as well. And that is how you can work around with text outline. You can also go around and change around the text color as you can see right here, and that is what you have. So that is how you can work around with text outline inside a Pixlr Designer. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.